Here's a look at the emini S&P for Friday, November the 5th, 2010 through the eyes of emini day trader. What we're looking at here are market profiles from the last couple of days. This is what occurred during the regular trading hours today, market profile and its corresponding volume profile. This is what occurred overnight, and this profile here is what occurred during yesterday's regular trading hours. This was part of the up move that occurred in the overnight session going into Thursday's trade. So you can see that we continue to have the follow through higher. We were looking at either the 12.15 area as support in here or down at the 12.12 area as support. And as you can see, overnight the market hit 12.50 and then had a nice bounce, especially after the employment news was released. The market had a good rally at that time and then ended up by opening here during the regular trading hours, had a bit of a dip, not much, and then more or less rallied for the rest of the day, closing fairly strongly near the high, a couple of points off the high. So the up auction just continues. We're looking now probably support near today's low at 12.17. And there's really no reason at this point to think that the market has topped out. So still trading from the long side as much as we possibly can, in other words, with that preference. Here are the profiles from the past couple of weeks. I had to really squish them together here just to make some sort of comparison, but you can see that the market is obviously, this was the day the FOMC news was released, and it closed right here on that day. Big rally in the overnight session, regular trading hours, again overnight high, and then today. So this up movement is continuing. As far as our trades were concerned today, you can see where our trades, there was a couple of shorts there and a short there, and we also had, you can see right here, a long, an up arrow there and an up arrow there. So as you can see, we're in the up auction. We had no red filter today, so these short trades were not taken. We did take, of course, this trade here and this trade here. This one worked really nice. It just dipped down to fill us beautifully and then rallied 3 points. So we had a good profit on that trade, easily reaching our first two objectives. And the other trade that we had, the second trade here today, which was later in the day, entered here. It had a nice move up, hit our second objective, but we were not filled on that. So only profit on our first objective on 1/2 of our position on that second trade. So not a very big range in trading here today. As you can see, this today's low down here, today's high up here. Only a worked out to be just a 7.5 point range. And trading the basic 4 contracts on our trades today with the 2 trades that we took, we were able to net 6.5 points today on this relatively quiet day. So a nice sort of calm day of trading, if you will, with some good profits to be made. So continuing to look on the long side, obviously, and maybe we can get filled long on a dip towards today's low come either Sunday night or Monday. Won't get filled Sunday night, but it may dip there Sunday evening, or it may just continue higher. But certainly the market is still in the bullish mode. Any questions or comments, just send it to info. Forgot to put the info on there. So you can just send it to info at eminidaytrader.com, and we'd be happy to respond. We always enjoy hearing your questions and comments, so continue to send them in, much appreciated. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to turn your clocks back an hour if you're in US or Canada. So that'll be it for today, and we'll see you on Monday.